Hey guys, it's me, Tesla Blaine. I'm back again, and today my friends from EV Base, they sent me this charger extension, whatever you want to call it here. It's called the new edition for the Model 3 to Model Y. I got a 2026 Tesla Model Y Juniper, and this is what it is right here. So it's going to plug into my cigarette adapter right there, and it's going to give me a couple of extra USB-C charging ports, and plus some cool ambient lighting that I can put in my car there to add into my whole ambient lighting system I have going in my car already. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to show you what it looks like, and we'll get started on installing it. Taking a look at the box here, it says eco-friendly, easy to install, easy to clean, all that good stuff here. Each charging port is 27 watts. So you got two USB-Cs, you got an USB-C input, and you got a USB-A input there. So in each of them is 27 watts each. So let's see what we got here. They do give an instruction manual here. For you scan the little barcode, you can download an app because you can change the colors to like 200 and something different variations of colors. I believe it'll also play along with your music. But there is a button here that you can press, and I believe it goes through like 20-something, 28 different lights that you can choose from on here. It will memorize whatever the last light or the last setting that you had it on. When you get out of your vehicle and you get back in, it'll be on that same setting. So that's pretty good. I like that because normally I set mine to one color. Most of the time it's a blue color. So hopefully they got a good blue color on this one that I like, and I'm just going to use this. But you can download the app and change multiple colors, and then it'll play off the music off your phone or using the microphone on your phone, and it'll do different things and all that kind of cool stuff if that's something you're looking for. But anyways, taking a look at this right here, you just simply bring these out right here and look, and then they click in the spot. You can put it wherever you want and let go of it. I believe we're going to see if these are the fast charging ones. When I plug it into my phone, we'll see what it says. But really, this is what it looks like right here. So you got your USB-C right there. You got another input. You got a USB-A and you got a USB-C right there. And this is your little button. And then the light goes across here. So anyways, let's get out there and install it. It's just going to be real simple. Inside the console there is a cigarette lighter port. And we got it. Let's go out there and do it. Check it out. All right, to install this is pretty simple. You're just going to take this little door right here and open it up. And you got this little area right here to where we're just going to take this. And I believe it's going to be this direction right here. You're just going to put it in these little grooves right there. Slide it around. And there you go. It's that easy to install. And look at that. And then watch this. That fits right up to it. It's a nice shiny gloss black there. I like that. And you can still utilize your door. Only thing left I gotta do is plug in the the cigarette lighter port right here, and then we'll check it out. I just plugged it in. It's real simple to plug in. And let's check out some of these light colors here. All right, I like that blue, purple. There's a rainbow color feature there. It goes through a little bit of everything. That's kind of cool. Ooh. Okay, so it's just green. Oh, okay, it is changing colors. Okay. It's a little different. Ah. Kind of like the Knight Rider thing. I was hoping it's going to go back and forth. Where is it at? Is it going to continue? There we go. There's red, green. There's my blue. I like that blue right there. Kind of goes with the rest of the blue I got. So I'm going to leave it right there. And that looks pretty good. I like it. All right, next thing I wanted to do is I just wanted to check out and make sure that the ports work and everything. So just do this. I'm going to bring this one out. Kind of go like that and let's see what it shows up on my phone as. Oh, didn't have it plugged in all the way. And it says fast charging right there. So that's not bad. We got some fast charging coming out of that one. Put this back down in there. Bring up my other one here. There we go, fast charging. So everything's working. Like I said, you still have that USB-C port right there you could plug into, and you got a USB-A port right here. Each of these ports is 27 watts, and wow, I like it. I think it looks pretty sharp. It's got a nice color going there. Like I said, it's real easy to put that back down like that, and you always have the ports. The cables aren't in your way, and it's easy to get to. I like it. Well, there you go, guys. Once again, this is from EV Base. If this charger adapter is something that you're interested in, the link will be down in the description down below. Make sure you use my discount code, save you some money. They have lots and lots of other accessories for you to check out. I think this is awesome. I mean, it gives you more charging ports, and the charging cables are retractable. They go right back down in there. I like it. 27 watt, fast charging. Sometimes the wireless charging, if your phone starts to get hot or whatever, it won't charge as well. But this one, it'll charge pretty good, so you can still plug it in, and they will reach pretty much about 4 feet or so is what I believe they do. And it's not bad, guys, so I like it. So check it out. Hey, if you haven't done so already, give me a like on this video. Subscribe to my channel for more stuff like this. And guys, be safe out there, have fun, and keep driving. Peace.